Hi everybody, Miss Peterson here. Welcome to another PE challenge. This week, we are gonna be doing the Frisbee toss challenge. So this challenge is super fun. I'm gonna show you how to make your own Frisbee. Okay, so all the equipment you're gonna need some sort of a box that you're gonna use as a target. You could also use an empty laundry basket or something like that. I don't have one, so I've got this, just a small box. It might be harder depending on how big it is, the easier it is for the target. You need some point signs. You can do these if you'd like the points on them. You're gonna need tape, and then for your Frisbee, you're gonna need two paper plates, or I don't have plates, so I'm using bowls, paper bowls, and a sock. So I'm gonna show you now how to make the homemade Frisbee. All right, so once you've made your Frisbee, you're gonna get your box, find a place where you have a little bit of space. Take your box and place it on a chair, like so. And again, like I said before, you can use a laundry basket or some other sort of target. Now you'll notice I put these point markers on the ground. You get 2 points from this line and then 3 points from this marker. So in 1 minute, how many points can you get? Here's me giving it a shot. All right, on your marks, get set, go. All right, that's time. Why don't you give it a go? Remember, when you're working on your Frisbee throw, go through the steps we learned in class. Point, cross, step, flick. Right, work on those points. You can practice before you do the challenge. Thank you guys for trying it out. Have a great day.